we are day 4. 4. Going to be hand sanding, but first, materials for the liners. What I'm gonna do is have metal in the center, the knife, and then a sheet of liner on either side, which right now is nice and soft, but will be nice and hard later and like tough. And then the maple burl gets sandwiched onto that, so it goes metal, liner, burl. That is the plan. I am looking forward to trying out this knife. It is going to be wicked. I don't know why I'm wearing my favorite sweater. It's a bad idea. And I want to make sure that I've got enough. When you're adding your hardener, what I do is I poke just a small hole in the, it comes like this. You can actually just cut it off. It's nice if you just pinhole it, get a small nail, and it's like 1-to-1. So if you're putting all of this, you would put all of that. So it's always a bit of a, you could measure it out, but I'm not. Pour some in there. This is my first layer, so I need to, what I should have done is maybe gone like this, so it sticks to the bottom, and you really want to get it soaked through. Here, boom, right underneath that actually, there, yeah, that's actually the same. Spin it around, see it's a bit lower up here, and there's the same, so, okay, I'm gonna give this side. Prep that for some hand sanding. Put a podcast on or something. Anvils and knife care. Anyway, I had some Indian food today. What was it? It was palak paneer. Very good.